Now we are going to mix everything together and make it as a paste and with the chicken, and then deep fry it with oil. Chili powder, all the flowers going to the bowl. What a food color. Break the egg that goes in. And we are going to mix everything together. And make this a nice paste. It gives a beautiful color. Now the chicken goes in. We're going to get mix. We are going to mix until all the cubes of chicken covered with the flour and the spice. We are going to pour the clarified butter, that's ghee, and give it a mix, and your chicken is ready. You can marinate it for 20 minutes to 1 hour if you want, and then deep fry it with the oil. And now it's ready to go for frying.